Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. Today is day one of our special hacking series 0 to Pro Hackers, a full journey from beginners to expert. Okay, every day many students from different countries message me and say, sir, I want to learn ethical hacking, but I don't know where to start. So don't worry, I am here to help you. We will learn to step by step from zero. Okay, we will learn 4 things. First, what is hacking. Second, what is Termux. Third, what is Linux. Fourth, how to start Termux and install Linux on your mobile. Let's begin. Part 1, what is hacking? Hacking means entering into a system or device by finding weak points. For example, if a website has a security problem and someone finds it, that's hacking. Now there are 2 types of hacking. First, ethical hacking means this is a good hacking. Ethical hackers help companions to find and fix security problems. They don't harm anyone, they follow rules. You can earn money from bug bounty, freelancing and more and more. Or illegal hacking, this is a bad hacking. This is hackers break to law, they steal data or money. This is a crime, never do it. Okay, always I recommended never do it. In this course we will learn ethical hacking. We will learn for education, career and cyber safety. Second, Termux. What is Termux? Termux is a free app for Android phones. It gives you a Linux terminal on your mobiles. With Termux, you can first run Linux commands. Second, install hacking tools. Third, write Python or Bash script. Fourth, learn cybersecurity from your phones. You don't need a PC or laptop, just your mobile and internet, and you can start learning. Okay. Part 3. What is Linux? Linux is an operating system like Windows or Android, but it's more powerful for developers, programmers and hackers. Why? It's fast and it's open source, free, and it has thousands of tools for ethical hacking and security. Most hackers use Linux like Kali Linux, Ubuntu, ParrotOS and others. And yes, you can use Linux inside your phone using Termux. Okay. Part 4, how to start Termux and install Linux on your mobile. Let's see how can start. Step 1, install Termux. Go to F-Droid. And how to download F-Droid. First go to Google and search F-Droid and click on the first link and download it, and open F-Droid and search the latest version on Termux. And easy process on Termux, GitHub on Google, search, download the latest version and install it. Okay. Step 2, open Termux, type this command to update the app, pkg update and pkg upgrade -y. Okay, then enter. Step 3, install basic package. Now type this or install basic tools, pkg install, python, git, cool, wget -y. Then enter. Step 4, install Linux. You can install a Linux system like Ubuntu. Use this command. Actually I send this command on description. It will download and install Ubuntu Linux on your phones. Now you have a full Linux system inside your phone. From the next video, we will start using a real hacking tools. Today we learned what is hacking, what is Termux, what is Linux, and how to install and use them. This is just day 1, the beginning. We'll learn more in the next video. So please subscribe to this channel. If you are watching on Facebook, follow me, stay with me on this journey 0 to Pro Hackers. Share this with friends who want to learn to hacking. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video, day 2. Take care, stay safe and always be ethical. Bye bye.